Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make money on Wattpad in 2025 even as a beginner. If you love writing stories, this is your chance to turn your passion into income. Let's get into it. Wattpad is a free online platform where writers share their stories and build a global audience. It's home to romance, fantasy, fan fiction, horror, you name it. And yes, it's possible to earn real money with your writing here. First of all, sign up at Wattpad or download the app. Create an account clicking by sign up or sign into your Google account. And choose your username here like that. Select your birthday date, then check the box, then click continue. Once you are logged in, create a compelling profile with a photo, bio, and links. Next, start publishing your stories. Tips for writing success on Wattpad. Choose a popular genre like romance, teen, fiction, or fantasy. Write consistently 1 to 2 chapters per week. Use readable characters. Include a catchy title and engaging cover like that. The more reads and engagement you get, the better your chances to monetize. In 2025, the main way to earn on Wattpad is through the Wattpad Creators Program. To qualify, you need at least one completed story, a strong reader base, usually 50,000 plus reads. Here, high quality writing and engagement. Once accepted, you can earn money through paid stories, in-story ads, bonuses from Wattpad based on performance. You also get mentorship, editorial help, and opportunities for publishing or adaptation. Paid stories are premium stories that readers must unlock using Wattpad coins. Writers in this program earn real cash when people unlock their chapters. Wattpad runs promotions, so if your story gets featured, your earnings can skyrocket. To get here, build up a strong fan base, promote your writing, and keep improving. Wattpad also shares revenue from ads shown within your stories, kind of like YouTube ads but for writing. This is only available to creator program members, but if you hit the criteria, you can earn passive income every month just from reads. Besides Wattpad's own features, you can make money using your Wattpad audience, self-publish your book on Amazon, offer exclusive content on Patreon, create writing guides, and sell on Gumroad, license your story to publishers or production studios. Some Wattpad stories have even become Netflix shows and best-selling novels like The Kissing Booth and After. Want to boost your reads and reach monetization faster? Promote your story on social media, join Wattpad writing communities and contests, respond to comments and build a fan base. Use Wattpad tags wisely for discoverability. Update regularly, consistency equal to growth. More reads mean more visibility and more earning potential. And that's how you can start making money on Wattpad in 2025. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe and drop a comment what kind of stories do you write. Thanks for watching and happy writing.